Welcome back. All right, so today we're going to talk about creating some perpendicular bisectors. Now, perpendicular lines are lines that join at exactly 90-degree angles. And so to create some perpendicular bisectors, some perpendicular lines that bisect a line segment exactly in the middle, we're going to use three different strategies. So the first strategy we're going to use is using a compass. So I'm going to go and draw just a short little line here. We'll do about 4 centimeters or so. And we'll call this line A and B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take my compass and I am going to go and place my sharp point just on point A. And I'm going to draw about a 180-degree arc below and above my line, just like that. Now, I could do the entire circle if I wanted to, but we don't need to. The next thing we're going to do is take that exact same distance. We haven't changed the distance. And I'm going to place my point again on point B. And I'm going to draw another arc, again about 180 degrees or so. Just like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put 2 points here. And I'm going to draw a straight line exactly through both points. And what that's done is it's created a perpendicular line through the middle of this line. And it's exactly right in the middle. And if you measure from here to here and from here to here, you should get the exact same measurement. Now you'll notice that my line here is a little bit off because my ruler shifted. So it's not going to be perfect, but it's pretty close. Now, what we need to do is just place a little mark just through it like that, which indicates that this distance from here to here is the same as from here to here. So that's strategy number 1, using a compass. Strategy number 2, using a ruler. You can use any straight edge for this. It doesn't have to be a ruler. A ruler is too wide. And so for using this strategy, you do not want a straight edge that is very, very, very wide. You want something that is thinner. So again, I'm going to go and draw just a randomly straight line. Now, this works better with longer lines. So I'm going to make this line fairly long. I'm going to go probably, about 13 centimeters. So again, I'm going to label this point. Let's go C and D. Now for this strategy to work, you need a straight edge that is the same distance from here to here as here to here. It's very important. It's all the same size, the same width. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one edge and I'm going to place it on point C. And I'm going to take the opposite edge and place it on point D. And just line those up and then draw a straight line on both edges, like so. Then I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to do that bottom edge on point C and the top edge on point D. And again, just rotate it through and draw a straight line on both edges. Now you'll notice, just like in the compass method, we have 2 intersections on top, one on top, one on bottom. So same as before. Place your ruler, line up those points, and draw your straight line through it. Now again, if I've done it properly, my distance from C to the middle point and from the middle point to D are going to be the exact same. Now we can measure it, and I get about 6.5 and about 6.5, which is good. It's excellent. So 2 last steps to do. We got to draw our 90-degree angle in here to show that it's a perpendicular line, and then our hash mark, just to tell the person looking at this that this distance from here to here is the exact same as from here to there. Our last strategy is as simple as folding the paper. So you can draw a straight line just like so, label it point, and I'm going to make this very dark, just so I can hopefully see it as I fold over the paper. Point E and F. Now what you do, take your piece of paper, you're going to fold point E so that it overlaps point F, just like that. Make your fold, unfold it, take a straight edge, and draw a line right directly on that fold, and that will create a perpendicular bisector through point E and point F. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.